When spring comes around, I'm always looking for some great entertaining dishes just like this one. This one's a real treat. These are my pizza tartlets. Now what I've done is just cut out some white slice bread, just your classic white slice bread, just into rounds, and I've molded them into a muffin tin. Then I've just sprayed them with some oil spray and then into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes to dry out. And you can see how easy it is to make these little bases. To this, we're going to add some tomato sauce, so just some Napoli sauce, and we'll just drizzle that in to each of our little tart shells. So to this, we're going to add some pork sausage. Now this is Cabana, so it's lightly smoked. And what I like about it is it's quite thin, so it fits perfectly in these mini tartlets. Great for entertaining. You can eat it as is, or you can cook it, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I'll cut these into rounds, so then you can see the speckles of spices throughout. That's good. And I've also got some olives. So we'll just sprinkle a few olives into our tart bases, along with a few pieces of the Cabana. And a pizza tartlet's not complete without some cheese. I've got some cute little bocconcinis. So what I like to do is just shake the excess water and break them up, and they're going to melt so nicely in the oven. Okay, really happy with these. I'm going to make a few more of them and then into a hot oven. They take no time at all to cook, really. We just need to melt that cheese. How great do these little tartlets look? The cheese has melted nicely. You can see the Cabana there. And the best thing about this is when you bite into them, you've got that lovely tomato sauce. These I like to just place onto a plate and serve them while they're still warm and that cheese is slightly gooey. I like to garnish it with a little bit of basil, not only because it looks good, but the taste of it is just fantastic, particularly if you're entertaining in spring or summer. These are delicious, bite-sized and perfect for your next party.